So what's up everyone? Thanks again for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and Megan is behind the camera. And today we're going to show you some new detailing goodies we have in our arsenal. And we're going to work with them on this very dirty white Tesla. We can show some real cars, real dirt, especially here on the lower arches, and also on the wheel arches. Here's a lot of dirt. So this needs to be washed. And the same goes here for these parts. Here it's also very, very dirty here. So that all needs to be cleaned. So 2 buckets half full of water. In the transparent bucket I have lukewarm water and an orange mid-slide. And in the red bucket I have cold tap water, also with an orange mid-slide. And since most of the dirt is already gone from the car, from the pre-wash, from the snow foam, from the rinsing and from the DCon light on the rear, now I'm going to use my DCon ceramic wash to give it a mild wash and immediately give it a little bit of this ceramic protection. These are large buckets. These are, let's say, 5 gallon. So these are 20 liters, approximately 19 liters. So I'm going to give it 5 capfuls of shampoo. And this product only works if you dilute it correctly. So if you under dilute it, it will not perform. And if you over dilute it, it will maybe give potential streaks, especially on dark colors. Not so nice. So 5 is here. Here we go. Put this one back on my cart. Put the nozzle on 65 degrees. That's this one. And fill it up under the water level. Oh wait, it's not switched on. By doing this, you will mix the lukewarm water perfectly with the ceramic wash emulsion. There we go. As you can see, it's a low foaming formula. It's intended like that. Nice. And you always want to be sure you're using a clean wash mitt. Take off that last pieces of grime. You can already see the water is breaking on the surface. I am cleaning my wash mitt by scrubbing it over the mid-slide in my rinsing bucket. Here we go. And just glide over the surface, cleaning paintwork, windows, bumpers, everything that you normally also do with another shampoo. Here we go. Because we're all excited to see already how it goes. Let's rinse one part already down. So the Grizzly towels, they come in 40x40 size and in 80x50 size. If you've got a motorcycle or actually even a small car like, I don't know, a Suzuki Swift or a Mini, I'm 100% sure, already tested it, that you can actually dry your car with this size towel. Only 40x40, but it's 1800 GSM, and with that it soaks up so much water. And some indication of what kind of fibers are we working with here today. These are spun long fibered piles, but these are actually 2 drying towels in one. You can see it here how it's spun. But if I would do it, these are, let's say, 2 long piled towels in one. So on each side there's long piles, so pretty much 2 fatty towels with the long piles out, knitted together, which really makes this result very, very good. So here we go. Voila! Now it's getting kind of wet, but it still does dry. Also, the small towel is very handy if you just want to give it an extra wipe to make sure you touched everything. And with that, dried perfectly. I actually see a leaf on my car. Where did that came from? So like this. So yeah, this is pretty much about it. Wash them normally or rinse them in your machine washer. Don't use fabric softener, because that really influences the absorbency that the fibers have. Just wash them, rinse them, let them air dry, and then you're good to go. Maybe every once in a while you want to clean them or make all those fibers very fluffy again. Then we've got a microfiber wash rejuvenator from DCon that you can use instead of washing powder. But that's pretty much about it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us to grow into the YouTube algorithm, because we really want to make more content, cool content for all you guys and girls like this, as well as hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon. So every time we do an upload weekly, you get notified ASAP and you don't miss out on everything detailing related here at Wheeler Detailers. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.